Hi and welcome everyone, Lisa here with another product reveal, Dudley's Mailed with Love 4x6 Clear Stamp Set. So I'm going to give you a few details on the stamp set. We're going to go ahead and stamp him out, and I also have a sample to share with you at the end of the video. Now we have 4 images in this stamp set, the heart with the love, and then 2 Dudleys and the mailbox with that cute little bird. Dudley with his little love letters, he's measuring about 2¼ inches wide and 2 inches high. Dudley with the chocolate box, he's measuring about 2 1/8 of an inch wide by about 2 5/16 of an inch high. And the little mailbox is 1 inch wide by about 2 1/4 inches high. Here they are stamped out, and here's my sample that I wanted to share with you. I paired this sample with some of the hearts from the heart background die that just recently released from Whimsy, and a few other previously released items which are linked directly below for you to check out. We really appreciate you guys checking out these product reveals. We hope you enjoy them. For more information on this new stamp set, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. Until next time, take care.